Hi, this is Aaron with Traveling Flamingo, and today we're going to give you a room tour of the castle in the Rockies, the Fairmont Banff Springs Hotel. It's a wonderful resort out here in Banff, Alberta, Canada, and we're going to show you the room. We will show you a hotel tour at a later date. We just have to get all that ready and uploaded, but wonderful hotel, and we will show you more about what you can expect if you stay here, coming right up. So the Fairmont Banff Springs Hotel is a historic site in Canada. It was opened in 1888 and it currently has 764 rooms with 12 restaurants. This hotel was created during the creation of the railway for Canada that connected the east to the west, and this served as a place for many wealthy travelers on their sort of high-end tour from the east to the west of Canada to stay and to sleep. This day you can still take the Rocky Mountaineer, which is a train car service that will stop off at many of these different hotels in the west coast of Canada. So this is located in Banff, which is one of our national parks, Banff National Park. It is the first Canadian national park that was federally created and the third national park in all of the world. It is 2,500 square miles or 6,600 square kilometers of land that's dedicated to the preservation of these areas and to these beautiful and sort of amazing mountains and vistas that you'll see there. So there's a lot of public climbing and hiking and all those sorts of things that you're able to do here. And we're going to go ahead and show you one of the hotels that you can stay at. This is a protected park, so there isn't necessarily too much new construction going on here. However, this hotel is amazing. It is historic, and it's got so much kind of going on there. There's so many places to eat. There's so many kind of cool areas where you can relax. Definitely, even if you're not staying at this hotel, I'd recommend going there. You're able to visit even if you're not staying. Try a couple of the restaurants and enjoy the parks. I highly recommend going out to them. Do some hiking during the winter. There's snowshoeing or snowmobiling. So we're going to go ahead and give you a tour of what a room looks like. This is a standard room. It is Fairmont Gold Floor. That is basically just, it's a hotel within a hotel, they call it. So you got a couple little extra services like breakfast and so forth. And, they give you robes and things like that. So there's incremental benefit. However, the rooms themselves are the same. So the room tour will stand for just about any trip you do here. Obviously, if you stay in other classes of room suites instead of a standard room, you might get more. But this is what a standard room looks like. So I'm going to pass it over to me from a couple of days ago and go ahead and walk you through what a room looks like. So this is the Fairmont Banff Springs Hotel. It's located in Banff, Alberta, Canada, and this is the room. So this is a gold floor room. However, it's the same as your standard bookable room here at the Fairmont. I'll give you a quick tour. On this side, just behind me, we have the washroom with a slide-out door. And the washroom does have these nice shower heads in the side of the wall, which is very cool. And again, it is also a sliding door, which is great. It's not a plastic curtain. Fairly good amount of space here. The shower head's very high. It is also adjustable, which is great. Good amount of pressure, which you don't always get in some of these older hotels. Over here, you've got the place where you can put your toiletries. They've also got the Rose 31 lotions and so forth, which is their sort of house brand, I guess, or the brand that they work with. And you've got the sink, pretty small sink, pretty small bathroom in total. You've also got a bit of a side mirror here for makeup or whatever you need. And then there's a little bit of storage below where some of your towels will be. Over here, just behind that, you've got your closet. And it's a fairly large closet. A lot of room here. What's really nice about this closet is they have a kettle. They also have an ironing board, fairly large safe. Inside you can see pretty deep. And again, some stuff for your shoes. And on this side, which is very nice, they've also got an umbrella. So if it rains here, which it might, they've got you covered. So let me show you the room area and what's in there. So over here we have a nightstand And in the nightstand, you've got a pull-out drawer. And you've also got a bunch of storage space down here, which is really, really nice. On our left, you've got this large place to put all your clothes. A good amount of storage above. The TV also does have a built-in Chromecast. So if you want to stream your own shows, you can absolutely go ahead and do that. You don't have to bring your own, which is very, very nice. Large number of pull-out drawers. Very deep, very large. And over here, you have a Nescafe coffee maker with your coffee pods. And they also have a Lot 35 tea, which is their brand that they support. And then you've got some more storage below that. Bunch of storage over here. A little bit more storage down here, as well as wine glasses and a wine cork and a bottle cap opener. Over here you got some charging, which is great. It's also where you have the waste bins. You've got a little table here with a chair for you to, if you're working. Great view out. We actually have two views here. We're actually at the side of the building, and I'll show you those. So that's the first view. And this is the second view. As you can see, it's a bit of an overcast day. And they've got these great windows that open up pretty wide. There is an air conditioner. You've got another reciprocal side table here that has the same features. That's the bed. They do have two reading lights overhead. One thing you might notice is they do not have a fridge. So do be prepared. There is no fridge here. If you do want a fridge, they won't bring one up for you. So unfortunately, you're stuck with just ice, as you can see here. But you can feel free to ask for ice and they will bring it up. So this is room 501 of the Fairmont Banff Springs Hotel. Beautiful little place. We're here for 7 days. This is our last day. So please enjoy this tour. We hope you consider booking this. We've definitely enjoyed our time here. And we hope to see you here at some point. So this really is a wonderful hotel. Again, it's a historic site in Canada. It has so many interesting places to go. There's 12 different restaurants and lounges and so forth that you can go to. It's a huge resort. The beds were really nice, great air conditioner. The rooms are comfortable. As we said, though, no fridges, so don't forget that if you do stay here. And definitely check out this hotel. It's a great hotel and a great place right there in downtown Banff, which can get really busy. So do be prepared that it can get very, very busy. But the hotel itself, really great. Really highly recommend people put this into contention for places you might stay in Banff. And if you're only staying for a day or two, this could be the hotel for you. So thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe or like button and have a great day.